I will teach you how to play A sharp or B flat major scale. The notes in this scale are as follows: A sharp or B flat, C, C sharp, D sharp or E flat, F, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp or B flat. In the reverse order: A sharp or B flat, G sharp, F sharp, F, E flat or D sharp, C sharp, C, and A sharp or B flat. Now I will play the scale in both the normal and reverse order for you all to practice at home.